Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about a really fun template that we have created called Clickbait titles. So to find Clickbait titles, all you got to do is go to the AI panel and go down to our templates section. So this is where you can find all our templates. You can search for them by name. You can find them across the search bar up here, the category bar up here. But we're going to go right into Clickbait titles and we're going to go from there. So here is your box where you work. Like I said, you can favorite the app if you want to be able to find it more easily on your dashboard. But let's say I'm a creator, right? I'm a YouTuber and I create content around DIY, right? So I'm doing DIY content. I want something that's going to stand out, something that's going to be clickbaity, something that's going to get me some attention, something that's going to get me some clicks. So let's do something like how to paint a ceiling like a pro. Creativity, you can change the level of this. So I'm going to go creative, and then let's go for informative as the voice. And we hit generate. This is going to give me a couple examples of titles that I could use. Master the art of ceiling painting, learn to achieve a flawless finish like a pro. Say goodbye to dull ceilings, transform your space with pro level painting skills. Right. And some of these are pretty good, but if you don't like them, all you got to do is hit generate again. Bam, you get a whole bunch more, right? So as you see, some of these results are pretty similar. So maybe if I'm not liking the results, maybe I change up some of my language. So it's like how to paint a ceiling and get a flawless outcome with perfect lines. And this will give me slightly different responses because, I changed up the input, right? So you can go through this and you can try a whole bunch of different stuff. You can change the level of, creativity. You can change the voice. Like let's come up with some funny titles, right? Stop wishing upon a star for perfect ceiling lines. Discover the ultimate painting secrets here, right? A little funnier. Unleash your inner Picasso, right? They're a little cheesy, but you get the idea. You can try a whole bunch of different stuff. You also have the ability, like always, to save them or export them. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Like I said, we got over 70 different apps that we're going to have to go through in this template area. So we hope you'll join us for the next tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.